This is an explanation of doing Khan Academy's Algebra 4.3, so Unit 4. We'll go to number 3. And you'll see that we're finding slope. Now, let's write down what a slope is in the first place. Let's see here. Okay. Slope is basically made of two numbers. The first number we call the rise, and the rise, if it's going downward, well, we can also call it a fall if it's negative. Okay, it's a rise, or you can say fall, either one. Okay, and the bottom number is a run, and typically we make the run positive by going to the right. So run is always moving to the right. Okay, so now we need to find a point that's on the vertex. Let's see, and what a vertex is right here. That right there is a vertex. It's between all these four squares right here. That's a vertex right there. So we want to find vertices on this line right here. And I'll look around and oh, there's a vertex right there. So we'll label that one. That's a vertex. Let's find another one. Ooh, I don't see too many. There's a point right there. Falls right on the vertex. There we go. Alright, so these are 2 points on the vertex. Now, I'm going to find what it takes to go from the point on the left to the point on the right. And I see there's a rise here, so I have to go up to this level right here. So from level -3 to 4. So I just rolled 7. So my rise was 7. Now, how far do I have to go over? Once I get to this spot right here, I got to go over to this spot. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So that was 4 over. So what that means is that my slope, my rise, is the 7, and my run to the right was 4. So my slope is 7, 4. So let's put that in there. Oh, turn off the editor. 7 divided by 4 should be it. And that's good. Okay, next question. Okay, once again, let's turn on the draw function. And let's find some vertices. Let's see a vertex. Let's see. Let's look at vertex. Yeah, that's good. And the next vertex I see is right there. So let's mark that one. So those are 2 vertices. And let's find how far I have to go up. I just have to go up 1, 2, 3. So that was 3 times up. And then I have to go over, let's see, just 1 time to get to the point. So that was a slope of, let's see, a slope that was, I rose 3 right here, and then I ran 1 time. So that's 1. Now this can be simplified. 3 over 1 can be simplified to a 3. You can put it as 3 over 1, but I like simplification. So let's turn it in as 3. Let's put in 3 and check it, and that's good. Wow. Okay. It thinks I'm on a streak. Okay, wish I could have shown you more, but in fact, I think I do want to show you more. Let's go back here. See if we can get another one to come on. Try again. Okay, good. This is a good one. Alright, so this will be our last one. So let's find some vertices. Lots of them here. This is a vertex right here. And there's another vertex right there. Okay, points on the vertices. Okay, now let's find the rise and run. Now, to get from left to right, we have to kind of go down 1. So that's a fall. So that's a down 1. Okay, fall. And then I have to go over one time, which is to the right once. So that's going to be a slope. And the abbreviation for slope is also the letter M, so I can use the letter M to go a lot faster. But this will be a -1, okay, and over 1. And -1 over 1 will simplify to just a -1. So I can put -1 in here for the slope. And that's it. And let's try one more. Okay, so let's find a couple vertices. I see one right there. There's a vertex there. Another vertex will be right there. Okay, so that's 2 vertices. So how to get from the point from the left to the right? I have to go down a few times. I have to go down about 3 times. So that's a -3. And then I have to go to the right a few times, from here to here. And that's 4 times to the right. So that suggests that my slope, we use the letter M, is going to be the -3 for the rise or fall, and the 4 for the run to right. So, and that will simplify to just a negative of 3/4. So I'll put that in. So we're going to put the negative in there, and then we'll put the 3 divided by 4.